Hi everyone, this is Divyashree. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll learn how to draw a cute rabbit in an easy way. Let's begin by drawing a circular shaped curve. Now draw a curve that looks like number 3. Now we'll draw the ears. Now we'll draw the body of rabbit. Draw a curve to make the legs of rabbit. Draw the other leg. Now we'll draw the eye. Draw the tail. Now we'll draw a carrot. Draw the inner part of ears. So once you complete the drawing, start outlining it using a stick pen or sketch pen. Don't draw on the inner part of ears. Erase the pencil marks. Now we'll start coloring. Take pink color and start shading. Shade darker at the middle part of ears. Now take red color. Color in the middle part of eye. Take brown and fill around the red color. Now take black and fill the remaining. Take red again. Draw small nerves in the inner part of ear. Shade along the outline using red color. Take orange and color the carrot. Now take green and color the carrot leaves. Take dark green and shade over the leaves. Now take light green and draw some random curves to create the grassy texture around the rabbit. Shade lightly using green color over the grass. Now take black color and draw some hair around the mouth and eyes. So I hope you have learned how to draw a cute rabbit in an easy way.